Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful stitch. It's an easy stitch, just 2 row repeat, and looks beautiful. It has this 3D look. That's the back side. You can use it for blankets, scarves, cardigans, anywhere you want, and hope you like it. This time I'm gonna use a category 4 yarn and a 5.5 mm hook because it's easy to see for you. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch you will need multiples of 3. I made 15 chains, that's enough for me. Now skip this first stitch, insert into the next. We will make a single crochet. Insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. And for this row, we will put 1 single crochet into each stitch. That's the last one. Chain 1, turn. Okay, for the row 2, we are gonna make single crochets, but we will make them from these back loops. That's the front loop, that's the back loop. We are gonna insert into the back loop. Make back loop only single crochets till the end. That's the last one. Chain 1, turn. And again, make back loop only single crochets. Okay, we made the last one. Now we are gonna start to make our stitch. Chain 1, turn. We will always use, while we are making single crochets, we will always use the back loops, okay? Don't forget this. Into this first stitch, I'm gonna make a back loop only single crochet. Now we are gonna make a treble, but where? Yarn over twice. Not into here, into this first front loops. You see, 1, 2, 3. We are gonna make it into this front loop. Don't count this one. Okay, that's the chain. Don't count this. If you look like that, 1, 2, 3, this one. Yarn over twice, insert into this first loop, grab the yarn, pull through, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're gonna skip 1 stitch, this one. Into this next, we will make a back loop only single crochet. That's the beginning. Beginning and the end will be a little bit different. So we made the beginning, yarn over twice, turn back into the same place and put a treble. 1, 2, 3. And without making any single crochets here, yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, into this third, make 1 more. Now we made 2, so we are gonna skip 2, 1, 2, into this third, put a back loop on single crochet, yarn over twice, turn back into the same place, same stitch, 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, into this third, put a treble, skip 2, because we made 2 trebles, put a single crochet, turn back, skip 1, 2, into the third, we have 2 more, okay? We will not use them. You will have 2 stitches here. Skip 2, into the third, put a single, turn back and make 1 more treble into same place. Now we complete it, okay? We will not make any more, so we can skip 1 and into this last stitch, put a single crochet, chain 1, turn. Next row is easy. We will only make back loop only single crochets. Once you complete the row, chain 1, turn. Make a back loop only single crochet, then yarn over twice. We are going to repeat this same row, 4th row, but where we insert, you see this front loop here, we made a single crochet here, if you remember, back loop only single crochet, there is a front loop. We are going to use this, okay? I made 1, skip 1, into the next, put a back loop only single crochet, yarn over twice, turn back, insert into the same place, make a treble, yarn over twice. You see this front loop, put the treble here, skip 2 because we made 2, okay, make a back loop only single crochet, turn back, skip 2, put a single, make one more, skip 2, put a back loop only single crochet. Now we are gonna make one more into the same place, and we are gonna skip 1 and put a back loop only single crochet. So that's all we are gonna repeat. For the next row you are gonna make back loop only single crochets. While we are completing, you can make 2 rows with back loop only single crochets, just like we did here. We started with 3 rows, but we use the second row's stitch. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.